Dear students, next we will move on to the second session of this numerical problems. In the previous session, I think I solved 11 numerical problems. Next, move on to the 12th here. An element, what's that? With a molar mass is given as 2.7 10 to the power of minus 2 kg per mole, as the molecular mass is given in the form of SI unit, forms a cubic unit cell with a edge length of 405 picometer. If its edge length, density is found to be 2.7 into 10 to the power of 3 kg per meter cube. Again, it is SI unit. What is the nature of the cubic unit cell? So here the nature of the cubic unit cell means we are having three different types of natures. What is that? Simple cubic unit cell, body-centered cubic unit cell, and then the face-centered cubic unit cell. They all depends upon the value of Z. What Z is? Number of particles present per unit cell of that particular crystal lattice, or preferably the cubic unit cell. Okay, 1 means it is SCB, 2 means it is BCC, and 4 means it is found to be the what? The FCC. Okay. So let us have the solution. What's that? Molar mass M is given as 2.7 10 to the power of minus 2 kg per mole. Means it is an SI unit given. With an edge length of how much it is given? Edge length is 405 in terms of picometer. We'll see. What's the density given? Density is given as 2.7 into 10 to the power of 3 kg per SI unit is given. What is the nature means just you have to find the value of which one. As this is in SI unit, this is in SI unit, therefore the A is also in SI unit. What is that? It is 405 into 10 to the power of minus 12 in terms of which one? Meter. That is equal to 4.05 into 10 to the power of minus 10 in terms of meter. Minus 10 in terms of meter. Why? Because it is in SI unit. Therefore, what is AQ? What is AQ? 4.05 is 4.05, 4.05. On simplification, I will write final answer only. AQ is 66.43. 66.43 into 10 to the power of minus 30 in terms of which cube? Meter cube. Okay, because as if the density is in SI unit and the molar mass is also in SI unit, therefore we have to convert the edge length in the form of meter and the volume or A cube in the form of meter cube. Okay, we know that first. What is D is equal to Zm by A cube into which one? Na. R. I need the value of Z here. Z is equal to D A cube Na divided by M. That is equal. What is the density given? 2.7 10 to the power of 3. What is A cube? 6643 10 raised to minus 30 into what is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by what is M molar mass? 2.7 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So on simplification, I will directly get the answer in the form of 4.0004, but we know that Z cannot be a fraction, therefore it is nearly equal to which one? 4. Hence, the nature of the cubic unit cell is either FCC or HCP or CCP, because all will have the Z is equal to 4. Face-centered cubic or hexagonal close packing, or sometimes it may be the cubic close packing. Means the nature of the cubic unit cell is decided by the value of which one? Z. If it is 1, it is simple cubic. If it is 2, means it is body-centered cubic. If it is 4, means either it is face-centered cubic or hexagonal close packing, or sometimes it may be the cubic close packing. Okay. So let's move on to the 13th here. What's that? Sodium metal crystallizes in a what lattice? BCC lattice with an edge length of 4.29 in terms of which one? Angstrom. 4.29 in terms of which one? Angstrom. Find the radius direct. We are having the direct numerical here, a simple one. So here edge length is given as A, 4.29 in terms of which one? Angstrom. What do you have to find out? The radius. For which lattice we have to? BCC lattice. What is the relation between these two? R is equal to what? 0. For BCC, I think. For BCC means it is 0.433 into A. That is equal to 0.433 into what is A here? 4.29. If I simplify that, I will get the final answer directly in the form of 1.8576. 1.8576. As it is an angstrom means this is also in angstrom. Means as it is a BCC, R is equal to 0.433 into A. Okay. Let's have the 14th here. Copper crystallizes in a FCC lattice with an atomic radius of 128 picometer. What is that? 128 picometer. What is the unit cell edge length of this lattice? Okay, the same thing, but for a different lattice, I think. FCC lattice, atomic radius R is given as 128 picometer. We have to find out the edge length. For which lattice it is? FCC lattice. For FCC lattice, what is R is equal to? 0.3535 into A. R. I need the value of A. A is equal to what? R divided by 0.3535 A. What is R here? 128 picometer divided by 0.3535. So what is 128 divided by 0.3535? It becomes 14th is 362.09. 362.09 in terms of, as it is picometer, this is also in picometer. Again the same direct formula. Okay. Let's have the 15th. Chromium metal crystallizes with a BCC lattice. The edge length of the unit cell is found to be 287 picometer. Calculate the atomic radius. What would be the density of the chromium? Given atomic mass of chromium is given as 52 gram per. Atomic mass of this one is found to be the gram per mole. It is not gram per cm cube. It is gram per mole. Atomic mass is gram per mole. Okay. It crystallizes in this one. For BCC, I think Z is 2. Z is 2. What is the edge length? The edge length is 287 in terms of picometer. How we can directly write that in the form of this? Calculate the density. Can I write that as 2.87 into 10 to the power of minus 8 in terms of centimeter. Therefore, immediately what is the value of A cube here? Calculate the atomic radius. Okay, we will have that. What is A cube here? 2.87 whole cube. 2.87 whole cube is 23.64. 23.64 into 10 to the power of minus 8 means it is minus 24 in terms of cm cube. Okay. Calculate the atomic radius R we have to find out. Then what would be the density also? Density also we have to find out. Okay. Given molar mass M is equal to how much? 52 gram per mole. Chromium atomic mass is 52 gram per mole. Okay. First let us have the radius. R is equal to, for which CC here? BCC. For BCC, what is R is equal to? 0.433 into A. 0.433 into A is 287. What is 0.433 into 287? 0.433 into 87 is going to be the 124.27. 124.27 in terms of what meter again? The picometer. So this is the value of which one? Radius. Next we have to calculate the which one? Density of that also. What is density is equal to? Zm by A cube into Na. What is that? Z is 2. What is the molar mass? 52. Divided by what is A cube? 2364 minus 24. What is Avogadro number? 10 to the power of 23. Okay. On simplification, I will directly write the answer for that. 7.305. As it is in gram and this one is centimeter, therefore it is going to be the 7.305 gram per ml, or sometimes it may be the gram per cm. Okay. So as usual for BCC, R is equal to 0.433 into A, and then density as usual Z is equal to 2, and substitution of that will use the value of D. Let's have 16th. Aluminium crystallizes in a CCP structure. Its metallic radius is 124 picometer. What is the edge length of this unit cell? And how many unit cells are present in 1 cm cube of this aluminium? Okay. First you have to calculate the edge length, and then we are having the what? Number of which one? CCP means Z is equal to 4. For CCP, first its metallic radius R is given as how much? 125 picometer. 125 picometer. What do you have to find out? A we have to find out. And then the number of what cells? Unit cells. Okay, let's have afterwards that. For which CC it is? CCP. For CCP or HCP, R is equal to 0.3535 A. What is A is equal to? R divided by 0.3535. 125 divided by 0.3535. What is the simplification of that gives? Simplification of A 125 by this one is found to be the 353.6. 353.6 in terms of what meter? Picometer. Okay. So here also A can also be equal to 3.536 into 10 to the power of minus 8 in terms of centimeter. As if I mentioned, what is that? If it is in picometer means if we have to convert that into centimeter, 2 decimal places behind that into 10 to the power of minus 8. Therefore, what is volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is what? A cube. What is A cube value? 3.536 into 10 to the power of minus 8 whole cube. That's equal to. So, what is the simplification of volume of A cube? 4.421. 4.421. 4.421 into 10 to the power of minus 23 in terms of which one? C. So, what is the meaning of this? Volume of the cube is nothing but what? 4.421 into 10 to the power of volume of the 1 unit cell. Volume of the cube are nothing but 1 unit cell. Here 4.421 into 10 to the power of minus 23 cm cube occupies 1 unit cell. Volume of 1 unit cell is this, means the volume of this is equal to what? 1 unit cell. Therefore, 1 cm cube is occupied by how many unit cells? 1 into 1 divided by 4.421 into 10 to the power of minus 23. On simplification, I will directly write that as 2.262. 2.262 into 10 to the power of 22 in terms of what cells? Unit cells. Means in how much cm cube? Here the total volume of the cube or volume of 1 unit cell is 4.42. Means this volume is occupied by how much unit cell? 1 unit cell. Therefore, what is the volume occupied with respect to only 1 unit cell? It is 1 divided by that value, that is equal to 2.262 into 10 to the power of 22 in terms of unit cells. Okay. So let's have the 17 now. Tungsten crystallizes in a BCC lattice with an edge length of that much. What is that? 3.16 angstrom. Calculate its density. Atomic mass of tungsten is 183. I think you have to work on your own. Just I will give the values of that. So what it has been given? Angstrom. For BCC, I think, can I say that Z is 2? Z is 2. Edge length is what? 3.16 in terms of which one? Angstrom. What's angstrom? Minus 10 meter. 3.16 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter, which is also equal to 3.16 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Therefore, what is A cube? Directly I will write here. 3.16 minus 8 whole cube. It is 3 point something into cube of that one is A cube is 31.55. 31 into 10 to the power of minus 24 in terms of which one? cm cube. That is the value of A cube here. Calculate the what? Density of that. Given atomic mass is, molar mass is going to be 183.8 AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay. Then we know that what is the formula? D is equal to Zm by A cube into Na. So substitute yourself and then get the answer. Okay. Z is given 2, molar mass is given as 183.8, and then A cube is given, Na is Avogadro number, substitution, and this one finally gives the, I will directly write the answer in the form of, the density is 19.35. 19.35 in terms of gram per watt. Okay, you have to work out. Let's move on to the 18th here. A compound has a density of how much? 1.984 gram per cm cube and crystallizes in FCC structure. Crystallizes in FCC structure. Okay? With an energy length of nearly 630 in terms of picometer. What's the molecular mass of that? Density is given. What is density here? Density is 1.984 watt per watt gram per cm cube. Okay? In FCC, for FCC, what is the value of Z? Z is 4. Z is 4. What is the energy length here? A is equal to 630 picometer. Now I will directly write that as 6.3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Therefore, what is A cube directly? 6.3 whole cube. 6.3 whole cube is 24.389. A cube is not 24, I think. Not 23. A cube is 250.04. 250.04 into 10 to the power of minus 24 in terms of cm. Okay. Its length is given. Then what is the molecular mass? Molecular mass means M we have to find out. M we have to find out. What's the formula first? We know that. What's that? D is equal to Zm by A cube into which one? Na. What I need actually? M. M is equal to what? D A cube into Na divided by Z. Substitute and get the answer. Why? Because D is given. What is the D here? 1.984 into 10 to the power. Why 1.984? What is A cube? A cube is 250.04 into 10 to the power of minus 24 in terms of cm cube. And what is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. And Z is what? 4. So substitution, and this one gives the final answer as 18th. It is going to be 74.68. 74.68 in terms of AMUR gram per mole. Okay. So that is a which mass? Molar mass. Next is let's move on to the 19th. An element having a density of how much? 6.8 gram per cm cube crystallizes in a what structure? BCC structure with a cell edge length of 290 picometer. Calculate the number of atoms present in 200 grams of that. 200 grams of that element. Means in 200 grams of that element, we have to find out the what? Number of atoms present in that. Okay. So let us have first what the given is. Mass W is given as 200 grams. Okay. Number of atoms we will calculate. Density is given as 6.8, I think, gram per which one? cm cube. Okay. For BCC means what is Z? Z is 2. With an edge length of how much? A is equal to how much? 290 picometer. 290 picometer means it is equal to what? 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 8 in terms of centimeter cube. Therefore, what is A cube? 2.9 whole cube is 2.9 into 2.9 is found to be the, so 2.9 whole cube is 24.389, 10 to the power of minus 24, I think, cm. Okay. Next, calculate the number of atoms. To calculate the number of atoms, we need the molar mass. Okay. We know that first D is equal to Zm by A cube into which one? N. What is molar mass here? Molar mass is dA cube into Na divided by Z. Substitute yourself and I will write only the molecular mass of that, and the molecular mass of that one is going to be the 49.93. 49.93 in terms of which one? U or gram per mole. Gram per mole. Okay. What is this? Molar mass. Next, we need actually the number of atoms. Number of atoms is nothing but number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of moles into which number? Avogadro number. How to calculate this? Mass divided by molar mass into Avogadro number. What's the mass here? 200. What's the Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Divided by what's the molar mass that I got here? 49.93. On simplification, I will get the final answer in the form of 24.12. 24.12 into 10 to the power of 23. What this is? Means first we have to calculate the molar mass. Molar mass is given by dA cube into Na divided by Z. So substitute and simplification gives the molecular mass is found to be the 49.93. By knowing the molecular mass, what we can calculate? Number of moles. How to calculate number of moles? Number of moles is given by mass divided by which mass? Molar mass. Then how to calculate the number of particles or the number of atoms? It is number of moles into what number? Avogadro number. Okay. So that is about the 19th. Now we will move on to the last numerical of solid state. Okay. An element crystallizes in a BCC lattice. The density of the crystal is 7.92 gram per cm cube. Calculate the edge length of the unit cell, cubic unit cell, given the molar mass is, I think it is same. For BCC lattice, Z is equal to 2, I think. And what is the density of that? D is equal to how much? 7.92 in terms of gram per which one? Cm cube. Calculate the what length? Edge length. Edge length means we have to find out the value of A. Then, given the molar mass is how much? Molar mass is 55.8 in terms of gram per. Okay. So A is not calculated, but it is calculated in the form of A cube first. First, what is the formula? We know that D is equal to what? Zm by A cube into which one? Na. What is A cube is equal to here? Zm by dNA. Z is what? 2, I think. Molar mass is 55.8. Divided by what's the density? 7.92. What's the Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Upon simplification, I will get the value as. What is A cube value first? 23.39. 23. Into 10 to the power of 24 in terms of cm cube. What is this? A cube. Therefore, what is A? Cube root of, what is that? 23.39 into 10 to the power of minus 24. Again, here also we have to use the log tables. Okay, as if there is no availability of the scientific calculators for the calculation, you have to use only the log tables. What to do? Taking log on both sides. Log A is equal to log of cube root of that value, but it can be written as log of 23.39 into 10 to the power of minus 24 to the power of 1 by 3. Then compare log A to the power of n as n into log A. Then we have to make that log AB as a log A plus log B. On simplification, you have to do on your own. I will write just only the final answer here. It is 2.86 minus 8 in terms of centimeter. Minus 8 in terms of which one? Centimeter. Or I can have the angstrom also, or 286. This can also be equal to 2.86 in terms of angstrom, or it can also be equal to 286 in terms of which one? Picometer. But this is more sufficient, as if it is mentioned in which one? The centimeter. Okay. So this is a numerical part with respect to the solid state. First you have to be very familiar with respect to this formula. What is that? D is equal to Zm by A cube into Na. Then you have to know the concept of number of particles with respect to SC, BCC and then FCC, that is Z is equal to 1 for SC, Z is equal to 2 for BCC and Z is equal to 4 for FCC. Or sometimes it may be the HCP, or sometimes it may be the which one? CCP, cubic close vacuum. And then you have to know the contribution of each and every particle. Corner particle contribution is 1 by 8, face centered particle contribution is 1 by 2, body centered particle contribution is 1, and then the edge contribution is going to be the 1 by 4. Then you have to know the relation between radius and then the edge length. How is that? For simple cubic lattice, R is equal to what? 0.5 into A. For BCC lattice, R is equal to what? 0.433 into A. Whereas for FCC or HCP or CCP, R is equal to 0.3535 into A. Suppose if internuclear distance is asked, or intermolecular distance is asked, instead of R, it is just only the 2R, means double of that. Means for a simple cubic lattice, 2R is equal to A. For BCC lattice, 2R is equal to what? 0.866 into A. Whereas for FCC lattice, 2R is equal to 0.707 into A. Okay. So these are all the numericals that you have to be very familiar in the theoretical concept. Okay. So the same thing concept has been extended to the competitive right now. Okay. In the next session, we will move on to the which one? The solving of the multiple choice questions related to the NEET, or it will be the JEE Mains, or it will be the CET. That all we will discuss in the next session of this chapter, that is called as which one? The solid state. Okay. So thank you.